Alright, hello everybody. My name is Isaiah Hudson, and for today's toy review, we have a Firestrike Elite Nerf gun, which is a pretty cool gun. And it also has a laser for here, and to activate it, you have to hold this. You put the bullet here, and you can save 2 extra bullets here. And make sure to not aim at anyone's head, otherwise it will really hurt. And do not modify the blaster or the darts. So if you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. See ya! 3, 2, 1. Go!